guys, it's just me and Emily and Ethan. We're having fun, and we're gonna open some Play-Doh eggs. And we made this Play-Doh, and we covered surprises with Play-Doh.
Yeah, Play-Doh.
And we're gonna open them.
Okay.
So, let's get started.
What's mine?
This one is yours. Wait. This one is yours.
What?
And
I open
this
it.
one is mine. Open it over here.
I have a Krabby Patty.
Let's see what we have. I have this little cutie.
Have this little cookie.
And then she has this little cutie right here.
Krabby Patty.
And then he has this little cutie right here.
Okay, let's do it again.
So, I don't really know their names, but it was really fun opening them.
This is Krabby Patty.
Right, y'all guys? It was really fun opening
That was.
them.
I want to do it again.
Hold on. So, put a thumbs up or comment
And
or
let me know.
or subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.